Okay, family and friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nicole. Okay, so today I am preparing two different things. Some shrimp with grits, and for the kids, I'm doing this Just Bare chicken breast strips. I have two separate bags here. That and some French fries, but Mr. Clark, he don't want this combo. He wants tacos. So I'm going to turn these into chicken tacos, if that makes sense. My daughter wants, is it boudin noodles or something like that? So I got some string cheese so she can add to hers. I think she's going to add shrimp, grits, egg, and this to it, and then see how it go. So right now I have the oven preheating at 400. These are supposed to cook at 375. You can see there, that's okay. And then I'm gonna fry these fries for one of my son a little bit, and then the tacos for 8. Okay, so this is how much I'm doing for them. Hopefully that is enough. If it's not, it is what it is, and I will be. Okay, family, so I'm back for a little bit. This is a cup and a half of grits. So I am going to wash this. Sorry to be moving it like that. I'm going to wash this, put it in my pot, season my grits, okay? Season your grits. Black pepper, chicken bouillon, and salt. That's all I'm putting in mine. I'm not going to go with the whole garlic powder, onion powder, no. This is just the basic. Okay, yeah, family. So on my shrimp, I have in the bowl, I put some paprika, onion powder, chicken bouillon, black pepper, garlic, and this Mrs. Dash. And because I wanted to have a little spice, shrimp supposed to have spice, I use this right here. This I like this, y'all. This is Scotch bonnet pepper, but in a powder form, as you can see right there. See? And only thing is in here as ingredients is natural granulated right there, Scotch bonnet pepper. So that's all I'm gonna put in here. My grits, that's my grits right there. All right. I have this on, well, I can go, and I'm gonna put it on a little bit lower because I have to still do the shrimp. My kids' chicken tenders are in the oven, and I have to fry a little bit, a handful of fries, as I told y'all before. So next time y'all see me, I don't know what I'll be doing. Okay, one plate is down. Chicken tenders and French fries. Listen, you better don't got a bit hungry. Quick and simple. Moving on to the next. Okay, y'all. So Mr. Clark, tacos turned into like little burritos. They're so cute. So I just put the chicken on the inside and cheese, and he liked with sour cream, and that's it. And I'm on to my shrimp and my. She's so sweet, y'all. My baby, still a little nubs on her finger. Okay, family and friends, here is my shrimp with grits. Add a little bacon, a little cheese, a little scallion, green onion, for who don't know what scallion is. Scallion is green onion. And my daughter is doing her noodles. I'm hungry. I can't wait on her. Oh, here she come. That's her noodles. In the pot. Until next time, family and friends, don't forget to protect yourself, love each other, take care of each other. Come on, Mr. Clark. Show up for who show up for you. Like, subscribe, comment, the whole 9 yards. Thank you also to all my new subscribers and also my old subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. And until next time, bye.